Amia is designed to handle long hours of serious sitting. The height of your seat adjusts to maximize comfort and provide the proper relationship to your work surface and work tools. To raise the seat, lift your weight from the chair and pull the lever up. To lower the seat, remain seated and pull the lever up. The proper positioning is when your feet are flat on the floor, your thighs are parallel to the floor, and your forearms are parallel to your work surface. Adjustable seat depth accommodates different leg lengths to reduce pressure behind the knees and provide better lower back and leg support. Lift the paddle and hold it up as you push the seat forward or back. It's adjusted properly when you sit with your lower back against the backrest, and there's 2 to 3 inches of space between the seat edge and the back of your knees. The chair has a flexible seat edge that automatically flexes to relieve pressure on the back of your thighs as you move in your chair. It's recommended that you recline in your chair often to change posture and relieve your spine. Lean forward to take weight off the backrest. Flip the lever forward to lock the backrest in an upright position, or backward to unlock it for full range motion. Adjustable back tension allows you to control the resistance level when you recline. Turn it forward for more resistance, or backward for less resistance. The tension is adjusted properly when you can recline easily, and yet the back supports you in any position. While sitting, your arms should rest naturally from the shoulders to reduce strain on your shoulders and pressure on your spine. To adjust the arm height, squeeze the button, lift or lower the armrest, then release the button. Arm width, pivot, and depth are adjusted by grasping the arm caps and pushing in or out, forward or back, and side to side. The proper positioning is when you can sit with your arms at your side, with your forearms parallel to the ground, without your shoulders being hunched. The live lumbar support is a system of individual flexors that flex to fit your back. It provides dynamic support to your lower back muscles as you move in the chair. Hold the tabs on both sides of the backrest and slide them up or down. It's adjusted correctly when it comfortably fits the curve of your lower back. So, now that you know how and why it's important to adjust your chair, we recommend you take full advantage of the features to maximize your comfort level while you work.
How can you take something that is so well known, rework it completely, and at the same time not lose the essence of it? My name is Don Chadwick. I am the co-designer of the Aeron chair. First of all, I don't think you know when you start designing a chair that it's going to be any kind of an icon. But in looking at Herman Miller's history, you get a few clues. I feel if a design has certain validities, it deserves to take a second look. Because when you start working with Herman Miller, you're looking at some of the past, and yet you want to look to the future. It started with the Equichair. The whole idea was to disassociate ourselves from the stereotypes. And we said if we design a chair that fits all people and provides the comfort, it was a more democratic solution. And when it came time to work on the Aeron chair, we have to look at it in the same way. And it became a chair for everybody, and that was our intent. But we never expected it to be so many everybody's. We knew we had a design that was breaking new ground. It has a certain character, it has a certain soul. So I can understand why the desire to continue the Aeron legend, if you will. We really started from the ground up. We didn't want to do any compromising. If anything, we wanted to have less compromises. We have a new tilt mechanism. We have a whole new suspension system. The chair is more lively, it's more responsive, it's more sensitive to the body weight and body size. It's a lighter chair in scale. It has better spine support. We have all new adjustments for the back. You can get in the chair and try it out. It's going to be a whole new experience for you. The Aeron is going to rediscover a whole new generation of users. It's really a chair of today and of tomorrow as well.
You can sit in this chair really any way that you can possibly dream up.
I mean, any way I plop myself down right now, I'm going to be in a position that works.
For lack of a better term, I like to call these leg gutters.
The way that people have the ability to sit in it and to just be human and to be supported by a piece of furniture that essentially becomes the extension of your body is pretty awesome. It just connects with people. People, I think, have a closer relationship to this chair than most chairs in a lot of different ways, because this chair lets you be you, however you want to be, however you want to lean into it.